Happy Halloween, everyone. Today we're going to do bed linens and show you how we wash our blankets and sheets and covers on the pillows. This is Leslie. I'm Suzanne Ridgway. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. Today we're going to do bed linens. We're going to wash our comforters and sheets on all 3 beds today, along with our regular laundry with towels and clothes that we wear to school, appointments, you know, laundry. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. Thank you for all the dislikes and likes and views. I am making noise for a small channel. I went up again in views overnight. I am so excited, and I really appreciate each and every one of you that you are supporting me. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. He's also telling you to smash on that subscribe word down below. When we get to 700, we're going to do that $10 Dollar Tree giveaway. So make sure you subscribe, because if you do, you must comment you are new in order to qualify and be a U.S. resident. And if you comment, you must already be subscribed and be a U.S. resident. Let's get cleaning. Today on Let Us Eat, we're going to do bed linens. My husband already went ahead and stripped the bed, and we put down this sheet just to be comfortable so we can sit on it in between washings. And he took the covers off the pillows. I will be washing my pillows as well today. And yesterday, if you watched the video, I deep cleaned in here. We lifted the bed up and we swept and mopped and we dusted and decluttered and organized nightstands and computer tables. I will link that video down below with my other links and my links to my Facebook group and page. We did Isabel's shoes for varsity cross country, and I gotta take them out, and a few other things that needed to get done. What do you set them on for linens?
Large, hot, cold, extra heavy.
That was large?
Use any fabric softener or anything. This I use something little like the tie.
You said large, cold, and extra heavy?
Large, hot.
Large, hot, and extra heavy.
Go right to the top of this sucker.
The first fitted sheet went in, then the top sheet. They'll separate them out. And he wraps it around carefully so it doesn't go off balance, because that's a nightmare when that happens. Just blankets, no, you don't sneak any towels or anything extra in?
No. It was just enough for ours.
And then we'll be doing the beds, linens, when they're awake later. Probably Isabel first, and then Jaclyn, because Jaclyn's a little bit of a night owl. Okay, the first part of the bed linens is done, and we're going to put them into the dryer, and my husband always cleans out the dryer lint.
I usually do it beforehand, but forgot the last load.
We have a garbage can back there, just so you know. That's not going on the floor. Those are very comfortable sheets that we picked up for around $10 at Walmart. We don't use dryer sheets. We use fabric softener. I do have a dryer ball if it's still in there.
Ooh, this Tide smells good.
Is that dryer ball still in there?
Lost.
Oh, my dryer ball went missing. I think I have another one somewhere. Dollar Tree had really nice dryer balls, and it disappeared.
Flappity-doo-dah. I forgot the pillow covers.
First set of bed sheets are done. And we're going to put the fitted on. Now these are the ones that I mentioned that are from Walmart. And they're so comfortable and wash very well. They're durable. And if you have kids, you're going to have messes. And they come clean so far every time that we've washed them. Especially with Jaclyn's. They've had theirs a little longer than ours. We just replaced ours. I didn't need to vacuum the bed when I deep cleaned my room yesterday. And then we're going to put the flat sheet on. Then we're going to get the kids' beds stripped once Jaclyn's up and into the wash. We'll be doing 3 beds total today. We do them every other week most of the time. Sometimes we get behind. On to the flat sheet. Covers to the pillows are currently in the dryer, so they will not be put on yet. And now for the comforter. I'm going to put the little Jets blanket on and then the pillows to the back of the bed because we'll be sitting in here watching TV. My husband also works from home and his office is in here as well. Just took care of Jaclyn's bed, get ready to go downstairs. And then this bed is going to get stripped and ready to go downstairs. And I got to take the covers, the pillowcases off too. Those are getting washed. We are putting the children's clothes into the wash. I'm going to change over the stuff in the washer to the dryer. I'm getting done. How many loads is this? Well, 2. Busy laundry day. With regular clothes, towels, and all the beds in the house. There's 3 beds total. Something got away from David. It got stuck. What is it? What got... Oh, cool. He got it. It looks like... This is the box the Christmas tree was in. It's huge.
Your hook, I don't know if it broke or not, but...
Oh no, I like that bra.
Can you take a look, see if it broke? Or is it just a latch like that?
I think it bit the dust, people. The bra bit the dust. He is putting the clothes from the wash into the dryer. And then we're going to start with the sheets first, honey, before we do the blankets, or do you put more?
Comforters will last.
It does.
Anything that gets laid down on the bed should go first.
And then the comforters will go last.
This one goes to medium.
And what were the drying temperatures for that load?
Hour and a half on medium.
Hour and a half on medium.
It's
dark over here.
This is a high capacity dryer.
It's also a hand-me-down, so we have to keep cinder blocks in front of it because the door is not shutting very well lately.
Hot, large, extra heavy. We do not use that.
It's hot, large, and extra heavy, and we're using Tide to wash, just like we did with the other ones. He's going to add some in and then rinse the cup a few times. Torturing my husband is fun.
No, that doesn't get posted.
Yes, it does. He tried to tease me and I got him back. Keeps us 20 years here and growing. So I'm going to be back upstairs in 2 minutes and my kid calls me on conference call. I'm like, why? You're going to wait. I'll be right up. Our utility room is downstairs. It's not in the apartment upstairs, and I kind of wish it was because it makes it a hassle in the winter. But it is what it is. Everything's going in, and the blankets will go in by themselves, and we have another blanket upstairs that will be coming down. Went ahead and put away all the clothes in the green basket. I just got to put away this pile, and I folded everything so I don't have anything to do tomorrow. And then when the bed sheets come up, we're going to get the bed sheets. We are putting the fitted sheet on. It is done from the wash. And then we're going to put the comforters on as soon as they're done drying. My husband's going to put the fitted sheet on this one because I don't like fighting the fitted sheets. It's like doing kung fu. It's one of my least favorite things to do next to folding laundry. And then once the blankets are done, they'll go on the bed with the pillows in their cases. That is it for this bed linen washing video. If you are new here, thank you for hanging out with me today and checking me out. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget, when we get to 700, we'll be doing those gift card giveaways from Dollar Tree. And I'll link my deep cleaning my bedroom video in my description box down below with my Clean With Me players list. If you are interested, and all my other links will be down there too. Plus all the information you need to know for the giveaway. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe word down below and tap on that bell.